How do I integrate C++ with PyQt and Python? Imagine combining the speed of C++ with the flexibility of Python to build powerful desktop applications. That's exactly what integrating C++ with PyQt allows you to do. First, you need to understand how Python can talk to C++ code. This is done through what are called Python bindings. These bindings act like bridges, letting Python call C++ functions directly. Popular tools for creating these bindings include Cython, CFFI, and PyBind11. Creating bindings involves writing wrapper functions in Python that call your C++ code. For example, if you have a C++ function that multiplies to numbers, you write a Python function that calls this C++ function. This way, you can use C++ code as if it were a regular Python function. PyQt is a Python library that uses the Qt framework to make graphical user interfaces. Since Qt is written in C++, PyQt acts as a bridge between Python and C++. You can design your GUI in Python with PyQt and then call your C++ functions when needed. To set this up, start by writing your C++ functions. Save them in a file with a CPP extension. Next, create header files with function declarations. Then, use Cython or PyBind11 to generate the bindings. For example, with Cython, you write a pix file where you declare the C++ functions you want to use. Once your bindings are ready, compile them into a shared library. This library can be imported into your Python script just like any other module. In your PyQt application, import the bindings and call your C++ functions when needed. Let's look at a simple example. Say you have a C++ function called cppmult that multiplies an integer and a float. You write a C++ file with that function. Then, create a Cython file where you declare cppmult and define a Python function pymult that calls it. Compile everything into a shared library. In your PyQt application, you import the pymult function. When the user clicks a button, you call pymult with some numbers. The C++ function runs in the background, and you get the result instantly. You can then display this result in your GUI. This setup allows you to keep your application fast by using C++ for heavy calculations while managing the interface with Python and PyQt. It's a great way to build efficient, user-friendly desktop applications that harness the best of both worlds.